Mr. Deepak Hemani. He's also one of the co-founders and leadership core team members of Bloom. He's a professional speaker on personal finance. He's a trainer with India's largest organization in the BFSI space, a coach and a mentor to upcoming investment professionals. He's a life member of a $1 Million Roundtable USA, a feat very few adversaries are able to achieve. He has been a speaker at enormous shows. Please give him a round of applause. So, a few words or a song would be nice.
Anytime, definitely. But I just posted this today, and my wife is not here, so I can take the liberty of saying this, you know. She hasn't yet reached, you know. Please give roses to your wife today. It is Teacher's Day. You may not have heard so many lectures from anybody else. So this is on social media since morning. I got to sing for lunch. I can sing 24 hours. I don't know how many of you will still be around. Sing a song. चलते चलते मेरे ये गीत याद रखना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, रोते हंसते बस यूं ही तुम गुनगुनाते रहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना. Thank you so much.
So, I have a question for you. I don't need a mic. Okay, cool, perfect. So, we heard you that if you win $1 billion, the first thing you would do is buy $1 million lottery. So, we want to know that you're an expert in finance.
Yeah.
So, like, you already have won $1 billion. So, why would you want to like invest again for $1 million lottery?
Okay, so I'll tell you what. And this is statistics. And ठीक है, this is actual statistics. Everyone who's won a $1 million lottery across the world, by far, has lost all the money they got in the next 2 or 3 years. There have been 2 cases of people who have won the $1 million lottery twice. And both the times they've lost everything. So, you know, you could hedge your bet by buying another $1 million ticket so that if you lose that 1 billion, you can always have a chance of losing the other ones.
So, sorry. You've been the author of the #1 best-selling book, Compounding the Eighth Wonder.
Yeah.
And also the co-author of the bestseller Revive and Thrive.
Yes.
And now you're one of the authors of the book as well.
Yes.
So, do you have any views that you want to share with us about all the books that you have written, or which one is something which you really connect to?
Let me confess, I have never read any single book fully. Read, not the ones which I have written, but any other book which I have picked up, I have never completed it fully. So this is a confession. And this is actual data. More than 93% of books which are bought, people don't even complete 10% of the book. They just pick it up, read it, and then they thought, you know. So, however, compounding was something which was very, very close to my heart. People associate compounding with interest and money. I don't know why. Of course, it's a very, very big, important part, but everything in life we do compounds. 54 weeks ago, a seed was sown. That has compounded to this beautiful flower which has started blooming. 54 years later, it would have compounded into something unimaginable, unbelievable, really, really big and huge, like an oak tree. So, I don't know whether I will be alive 54 years from now.
Definitely, sir.
मेरी उम्र 55 की है, लेकिन दिल बचपन का है. So,
No, sir, दिल हमेशा जवान रहना चाहिए.